I'm here today with the Joyo JW-07, but this is a wireless transmitting system or wireless in-ear system because you can use these with headphones, so that's pretty cool. They kept like more like the guitar type of insert because I've seen these from Joyo for my guitar as well, and this could be like an amp plug or a headphone amp. So it's a pretty weird looking, I think, for an in-ear monitor system, but okay. Let's see what we get here in the box. So this looks pretty nice. We have the receiver here and the transmitter, so we can plug that in. And then the other thing is this isn't really like a headphone out jack. So this is more of like the line level out. And then a charger here, one cable with two plugs, so that's easy to use. And I think these should work straight out of the box, so let's turn these on. We have two buttons over here, plus and minus, so you can change the volume right from on the receiver. Perhaps we should read the manual on how to activate the receiver. I'm trying the plus button. Perhaps it will activate when I plug it in, and it will activate automatically, so that would be pretty cool. I'm not seeing anything yet, but that doesn't mean it doesn't work. This one also does not have any button. Oh, this Joyo logo is the button. Oh yeah, so that turns on immediately right out of the box, and you have your green light right here. So let's see if this works right out of the box here on my drum kit. So I can't plug it into my phones, but I do also have audio out here, so be sure that you have like that type of out on your instrument. This perhaps for guitar, because otherwise you won't be able to use it, or you have to have like an adapter for line level to 3.5 millimeters. Let's see, this is my right side here. Let's plug this in. Let's see if I can hear anything. No, so there should be a way to turn this on. And perhaps it's not charged yet, and that's the case. Let's see. Oh, that's also the power button, the Joyo logo. Just missed that. Okay, so now that's turning on. I also already hear like a signal. They're both red, so perhaps not connected yet. Oh yeah, I hear the signal. I don't know why these LEDs are red. It indicates to me more like that there's an issue with it. But they're both green, and I think this is the signal strength that you can see there. So let's see how these sound. So the first thing is, oh, this just has a little clip there. So the first thing is latency, because you can't have any latency. I don't have any latency, and I also think that the signals is quite well. Let's see if the volume works. So that also works. Now it's on top volume, and you can see the lights changing, so you can see what volume it is on, but of course I can set my volume here. Okay, so on the highest volume with the cymbals, it distorts a little bit. Yeah, so on the highest level, it seems to distort a little bit when I hit multiple things together, especially the cymbal. I think that's a little bit too crisp or coming through the signal. But when I turn it down just one piece of volume, then everything's okay again. So very cool, and yeah, it's very nice. I think it's like more designed for guitar type stuff, based on the way it looks, but it does do the trick even here for drums. No latency, and the signal is quite good if you don't turn it up too loud. So very cool, and I recommend.